I'm Martin.
And I'm Jesse.
And in this OrderHub session, we're going to talk about reservations.
Yeah, let's get into it. So, forewarning, this is the best feature we've described yet.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, I am too. So, what we're going to be doing here is showing you how OrderHub reserves the inventory for you throughout the shopping process.
Gotcha, part of my shopping experience.
It's really reassuring you that the inventory that you're adding and the inventory that we're telling you exists is yours.
Is from mine, so someone else can't come and get it out from underneath.
Exactly. If we say we have it and you want it, you can have it.
Cool. Show me how it works.
Okay, so let's jump right in. Let's go to a part page here. So
maybe a 45949.
That's it.
Rebellion. Ooh, that's a good one.
It's a
probably
really
be
good
ordering
one.
a lot of these.
Oh yeah. So we're looking at the part. We see our information here, and we know we want one. So good news is we've got a lot of them.
Maybe I want more than one. Let's maybe add like 5 of them.
Yeah, let's do 2. So we've got 2 of these, and now when we add these to our cart, we're going to create a reservation. Now, the next step, we're going to jump into our shopping cart, and I'm going to show you what that looks like.
Cool.
You added 2 to your cart. There were 192 available.
Yeah, so there should be, what, 190 left?
I think if our math is correct, yeah, that's what we see
all
here.
right.
So now this is what everybody else shopping in OrderHub sees. So you took the 2 from everyone.
Yeah.
Now they're yours.
Yep.
Now, if you look over here, we've got this goofy little shot clock over here.
30-minute timer.
30-minute timer.
So they're mine, but not forever.
Not forever. You can't sit on them all day.
Okay.
Now, as you're shopping, you can reallocate things. So when you add another item to your cart, it's going to reset this clock to 30 minutes.
That's cool because, you know I want these too. I probably want some other things. I'm kind of a lazy shopper. It might take me longer than 30 minutes.
It might, yeah. So instead of making you sit here and click this refresh inventory button, now what this does is this does give you the chance to step away, go grab a sandwich,
get a sandwich,
grab a coffee,
eat it, drink some coffee.
You come back, the inventory is still yours.
Yeah, as long as it's within 30 minutes.
As long as it's, so we just lost a minute. It's counting down.
So you could just click that button.
You could click refresh, or what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw another item into our cart using this nifty little quick search here. And we've got, another great product.
An mobile brake control.
Yeah, let's throw that in there.
Yeah.
Now, as soon as that thing gets thrown in your cart, you'll see the shot clock restarts.
Back to 30.
Back to 30
and
minutes.
You added it to the cart right through the search.
Pretty slick.
That is so cool.
So the cool thing here is, as you're shopping, this resets, so you really don't need to worry about this. If you do come up with a unique scenario, you can hit the refresh inventory button. It's going to reallocate the whole order to you. So this 30 minutes isn't unique to the Echo or the Rebellion. It's everything. It's both. Yeah.
All right. So what if I step away? I get busy. Someone pulls me away. I'm not here. I let the full 30 minutes lapse. Then what happens?
Bad things can happen because these are pretty hot products. They could be gone. Highly unlikely with the quantities.
They're gone out of inventory, but they're still in my cart.
They're still in your cart.
They're still in my cart, so I could come back. My cart's still populated, and then I can reallocate my reservation.
You can. You can find out now if you're going to get the products rather than wait until you place the order. Instead of the 2 showing up, you get 1 because there was only 1 left.
This is so cool because I can order products, I can put them in my cart, and I know that someone else isn't going to come, check out faster than me and take them out from underneath me.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
The cool thing is you've got the guy at your countertop. He says he wants this thing. There's only 2 left. You click on one, you know that guy, John, he's going to get the Rebellion.
Because the customer service experience for that guy is important, right? You don't want to be like,
important.
we got one, and then later, oh no, sorry.
You find out later the next day, and then you got to call John back and you got to say,
that's not
sorry,
good.
we
That's
ran
not
out.
good.
Yeah.
This is a super cool feature. You're right.
It's the best one
It's the best one yet.
That's it.
All right. Thanks.